Hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. I just finished making some new puppets and new sets. So now it's time for a performance of Marvy's Puppet Theater. Do 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 do. Today's story is called The Fish Who Swam in Circles. Once upon a time, there was a fish named Phil, and he loved to swim. He would swim up, he would swim down, he would swim side to side, and back and forth, all day long. One day, Phil thought to himself,
I want to try swimming in a way I've never swam before. I always swim up and down and side to side, but what if I tried swimming around in a circle?
So Phil focused and tried.
Oh!
It was a lot harder than Phil thought.
Oh!
But he kept trying, and one day... Phil did it! He swam in a circle!
I did it! I'm swimming in a circle!
Woo! He was really proud of himself. He went and showed his fish mommy and daddy. And they were really proud of him, too. The end. Well, what did you think? Did you like my story? I made it up all by myself. Hey, what kinds of stories do you like to tell?
Have a grown-up write your answer in the comments below.
I'll see you later, Greenie Beanies.